boys? So today they got me redoing this drain here we got in this evaporator. You can see I'm in a crawl space. See him lying down in here. It is above the kitchen. And we're working on this unit. We got to repipe these drains because they clog up because they are way too deep. You see that? We're just gonna remove all that and put our the simple P in with a union so it'll be serviceable. And we're gonna do the other side also over there. I can show you that one also. See that one? We're gonna do that one over too. So yeah, I'm gonna cut this out and we'll do a step-by-step, I guess. So my first is I made my cut marks up there and up here. I'm just gonna cut that whole section right out, and then yeah, we'll go from there. One down. Okay. Alright, you can see I cut my pieces out. Here's the other one there. That is very brittle. It just kind of broke when I put my cutter on it. My other pieces are down there. You can see that's my old one. Now I'm going to clean it up. It's very important to clean these pieces. You can see how dirty they are. So we're going to use our primer and then our cement. And be careful with this stuff in confined spaces like we are right now. Inhale the vapors and your vision gets a little bit weird. Alright, so there's one down. Got my P-trap in, my union goes right to my oh, we got a little bit of a leak there. Just tighten that up, it should be fine. Yeah, we just tighten that up like so. You can see no more leak. Now we gotta do the other one over here. This one shouldn't be as bad. Okay, there's my other new drain, my union. Goes all the way back to my condensate pump right there. Beautiful, everything's nice. Now we're gonna clean the evap. We're gonna do an evap clean, install some filters, and then we should be good to go. Here they go again. Easy, Max, be nice. He's gonna chase her around. Hey guys, I just wanted to say thanks. And if you like the content, subscribe. Come back for more. Leave a comment down below. Engage with all the other YouTubers out here. And come back for more HVAC, knife videos, point of view, and some antiques. Yeah, make a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. If I can't get you to subscribe, can I at least get the thumbs up? That'd be great. And I want to say thanks again for coming. And Max and Bailey, they thank y'all too. So have a great one, guys. Peace out, YouTube.